This video explains about the overall view and features of Visual Learning Solution. It is the customized product based on NCVT syllabus and course objectives. Syllabus are arranged in week-wise, then chapter-wise, and then topic-wise. Visual Learning Solution ITI product is like textbooks, contains the entire subject of content in the form of point by point 3D or 2D demonstration.
Single cut file. A single cut file has rows of teeth cut in one direction across its face.
Illustrated images, solved problems, self-assessment. Each topic is explained with suitable 3D or 2D demonstration exclusively developed for particular topic content flow and 1000 to 1500 3D or 2D demonstrations in typical nearly 500 lecture hours per trade. Each video has features like play, pause, volume control and close options. Pop-up for every 2D images are included to explain the derivation part. For easy access of chapters of all weeks, the To the Topic tool is provided. In D-Hub, the total videos in the subject is given in week-wise manner for easy access. User can bookmark the pages, videos which they wish to refer it in future. Many problems are solved step by step with all the finer details and provided suitable 3D or 2D demonstrations for real-life application of given data. Some additional tools like to the topic, view status, notes, pen, zoom, and progress bar options are used. In each week, self-assessment are provided. User can test themselves by undertaking the assessment test under every week. Bookmark options is provided to navigate directly to the page during the last usage of the software. Facility of notebook tool be available to write, save and view at single place. The zoom in and zoom out facility. That is, search option to find desired week, topic or videos with your keywords. There is an instructional manual to the features and applications of all the tools in the product.